diving into bath bomb. I have been messing around with bath bomb. I can't even tell you how many bath bomb I've made in the past few days. Like, I am obsessed. I know you guys are wondering, like, they should just film a video in that shirt. Yes, it's the same day, guys. We got to get this video rolling. I don't got time to change, okay? I do not have time to change. Enough of my nonsense, okay? I made my first bath bomb video. I will be putting it on YouTube very soon, so watch out for that. But at the same talking, I'm obsessed. I can't stop myself. Like, I have two obsessions right now: making cold processed soap and making bath bomb. Nobody can tell me nothing right now, okay? So yeah, I don't want to like use any elbow grease today, so I am going to be using this. Now the first thing, where is my notes? The first ingredient that we will be adding to our bowl today will be some baking soda. Now, the next item I'll be using will be some citric acid. I'm sorry you can't see in here right now, but just a second, you will definitely see what's going on in here, what's cooking in here, okay? So this is some cornstarch. So guys, this is what's cooking in here, okay? So in here I have my baking soda, my citric acid, and my cornstarch. Because I'm using my stand mixer, I am not sifting it because the mixer is gonna get the job done. Time to measure out the wet ingredients. So for my wet ingredients, I'm gonna be using some sunflower oil. I'm gonna be using some polysorbate 80. And I'll be using some Coco glucoside. I'm gonna be using some red velvet. Alright guys, this is my wet ingredients. I'm gonna be using my little spoon right here. Guys, I was starving. I have to pause this video just to grab something to eat. Like, oh, things we do for the tooth, right? So I'm just bringing my stand mixer. Yeah, you guys already know this by girl. And all of that. So, yep. Now, I'm gonna put this like so. I've never used this part before, but I'm sure it'll turn up good. I turn my mixer on one of my low settings, and I'm gonna pour the my liquid phase in here. But before I do, I'm gonna give it one final mix, like so. Okay, I'm gonna pour this slowly. Okay, now this is how it's looking. I have to put on my gloves now because, yup. Okay, enough of that mixing for now. Okay, so It mixed really nicely, and I like how it mixed. Spray some alcohol on this just to get it wet a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure out some more polysorbate 80 and a little bit of Coco glucoside. I know with these two ingredients, it's not gonna dry up as fast as the alcohol and all of that, so that's why I'm using it. So I think I'm gonna be adding a little bit of oil in here, like so. It's super thick. Okay. And a little bit more of our fragrance oil, guys. So see, this is the consistency that you're looking for. At least for me, that is what I'm looking for, because everybody like state is different. Like, so I'm not gonna compare mine with anybody. But if you are living on the East Coast like me, okay, I'm gonna be making some embeds, and I want 3 different colors of embeds in my bath bomb. Okay, on to the next color. You guys already know which color. Guess which color? Total. Everybody knows how crazy I am when it comes to this neon yellow. So I'm sure you guys are aware of my attitude when it comes to this neon yellow. Okay, so let's mix. So this is our me bath bomb color. The orange and the yellow is the 2 colors that a bath bomb would be for real. These other colors, 3 colors, are all embeds and all of that. So guys, these are the colors that we are working with today, okay? Now let's start the molding process. All right, I'm gonna be putting my embeds in here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it's supposed to be right here. Okay.
That you doing fine, 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little
I'm just gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna grab my main mold and I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here like so. I'm gonna grab a little bit of orange and put it in here as well. Okay, I'm just making room for the other one. I'm gonna be embedding this in here like this. Okay, I'm gonna grab my other mold, put it in here like so. Go like this. I'm not packing it down that much because I don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna grab these two. Okay, I'm gonna grab these two and put them together like this. Yep, this is how I do it. I'm gonna do it like this. Make sure it's all even up and stuff. Go like that. Get my little spoon. Boy, can you see this? Oh shoot, see? Beautiful, right? I just want to show you the design. Can you see how beautiful this is? The colors, man, the colors. It's giving, okay? It's really, really giving. So I'm just gonna put this right here like that. And I'm gonna start all over like I was doing, okay?
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see your eyes. Your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light.
Guys, the color is really nice. Let me take it out and see. Oh my god, you guys, look here. Can you see how beautiful this balm is? So gorgeous. I cannot wait, guys. I'm afraid I'm gonna put it right back in here before I mess it up. This is so cool. So cool. Guys, because of the embeds, that's why it's kind of dark around it, but I'm not mad at this. This is so I'm just gonna be leaving these balms for like 24 hours. That's it for this video, you guys. I was super nervous about these colors, but I'm so happy that it turned up like I really wanted it to. So hands down, we nailed it, okay? But that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you, and until next time, God bless. Bye bye.
But you gotta wait.